So this is Bubble 3 for Lesson 7, Code.org, Discoveries, Unit 3. So if we run what we have, we get nothing. But what they want us to do is sprites will only appear when you draw them here and creating sprites. And they tell you this is what you need to do. So we're going to go to Sprites. And here's what they want us to put right here, the var sprites. And actually, I'll drag it underneath just to make it where they want us to do it, underneath. Here we go. Whoops. I'm going to do that again. It's separated. I'm used to using text here. We're going to put that there. And they want the draw sprites. And we drag that over here for drawing. These are comment lines, and they do not affect the code. So this is what we have. And now we'll run this. And there we have it. And that's the end of Bubble 3.